railway station along is airport Kimono. Aprang ke dar Rajdhani Express India along ke railway department ke the nai ma ke me nai kaje thap me nai ke chat nai train ke Rajdhani Express lo aprang ke dobong lo seda chu kedang covid hot ke pen ke bonche asa bonche pen puthor kan kupon abang juga lagi itu macam online ni aja terlalu promosi bisa kaya ada orang MP kadang dari cara besar MP guys itu puthorja di Fu railway station along Rajdhani reopen puthor kan kupon abang juga dari macam online ni aja terlalu MP promosi bisa kaya lapen ke laso pini puthor kang kupon tu along nai je tong tu al biaro to was council speaker aju kiso kai benteng blok deputy speaker objet pen ke CP pon isi ben ka pichun ang theke la tai siang theklo ke thejung Central Government pen kang kirche di Fu railway station lo di Fu benceng lo Guwahati benceng lo kape state lo kita our side laso kidung nongji bukamotha abang buang biatong laso katikup ke doko kajo ini kan puthor ini karong pada jorol jemle Amar Singh Biswa MP ka hai fan puthor alang lika boi central government atum fan kachi kiye chathan pen kape kroi pen puthor da di follow Aprang Haran Singh be ka hai ta boi piklo MP ka hai sia Padun ron pen Haran Singh be pen non Amar Singh Biswa ka hai MP ka hai dak alangli di Fu railway station aprang ke dobom Rajdhani ke sang pen ko sang sudera pen ko thot kape sang thu laso aping po mate INP ke Amar Singh Biswa ke hai lalani phanga to ho jani klong ke bicara chena karo
Riverbar Rajdhani Express shall halt at the Fu railway station at 11:21 at the Fu railway station from the 17th and 18 July 2025 for 2 minutes. The landing junction is for about 69 kilometers, which is a short distance for express train, but the fact that Difu being the capital of the 6th scheduled district of Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong, and weight is given to the demand of the people, finally the Rajdhani Express 12424 holds Difu railway station. The local people hail this as a landmark achievement for the direct access to the national capital, which confront and comfort and speed. Definitely, it is a significant boost to connectivity and economic activities. As our minister, railway minister, have said that Dimapur and Lamding is a very short distance. So technically, it is not possible to stop this train. Right? It is the kindness for the people of Karbi Anglong. We have to thank our railway minister Aswaniji. And as all of you know that the Northeast Frontier Railway is now developing upgrading railway station in the North Frontier Railway Zone under Amrit Bharat scheme, including 50 in Assam. Ami 50 railway station Amrit Bharat scheme Ami Paisu, and the first batch, that is 103 station, was virtually inaugurated on 22 May 2025 by our Prime Minister from Rajasthan, Bikaner, with 86 districts and 18 states, billed at the cost of 1,100 crores. The upgraded waiting area thakibo, our ticketing system modernized hobo, and with friendly cultural heritage. Ami prothom paisu matro ekta railway station e paise, that is Harbogam. Kintu ita notice of 60 railway station under this Amrit Bharat scheme. 60 out of 60, 50 in Assam, and we are very lucky that Difu railway station and New Haplong railway station also included. Ita apuna loke sobe sabo hetu platform aru etu platform. It is very difficult for the senior citizen. Into Amrit Bharat scheme jodi yat hobo.
Station আছে railway stationত এটা ৰাজধানী এক্সপ্ৰেছ এই ৰাজধানী এক্সপ্ৰেছ আজি ইয়াত ষ্টপেজ আজি ৰখা হৈছে এইটো একমাত্ৰ অমৰ সিং কিছু ডাঙৰীয়া চেষ্টাৰ ফলত দুপৰ হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা আশীৰ্বাদ লগতে অমিত শ্বাহ আৰু লগতে ৰেলৱে মিনিষ্টাৰৰ লগতে এনে আলাপ আলোচনা কৰি আজি এই কামটো আজি সফল হৈছে তাৰ কাৰণে কাৰ্বি আংলং ৰাইজৰ হৈ অমৰ সিং পিছত ধন্যবাদ দিছোঁ।